With full bleed images, those that extend from edge to edge, it's customary to make the artwork slightly larger than the actual substrate in order to help line it up for production. Most of the non-apparel product templates in Creative Studio include a bleed area that defines where the edge of the artwork should be in relationship to the edge of the actual substrate. Click Templates. Click the down arrow. Click Travel and Heritage. Click Sydney, Australia. When you insert a full bleed template or image, it should be sized such that the artwork extends through the bleed area to the outer bleed boundary. Anything larger gets cut off by the template as it's not needed in production. Anything that is visible in the bleed area will print but will not transfer to the substrate since it's in the area outside of the substrate boundary.